Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. It's Bonny here. Today I want to show you how properly you can assemble a 60 cm satellite dish. You heard me correctly. I said how to assemble properly a 60 cm satellite dish. In case you want to use it for any purpose, you want to use it to track free-to-air signals, you want to use it to track my TV signals, you want to use it to track multi-TV signals, you want to use it to track Niger-Com satellite, you want to use it to track even DSTV signals. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you are going to learn how to do it properly. Yeah, this is Rofixtech technology. If you are new in here, I want you to consider subscribing because this is the only channel that can show you in details everything concerning satellite dish installation and every other installation. So stay tuned while we dive into the video right now. This is the 60 cm satellite dish. So I want to show you how you can properly assemble it. So this is the accessories. So the tools we are going to be using to assemble this is just screwdriver and spanner. This is size 11 and size 10. Size 10, size 11 ring spanner. So this is the only tools we can use to assemble this properly. So let me show you how you can do that. So this is the accessories. So I want to show you how you can do that properly. You just open it. So from here, what we are going to do is first of all to take this particular one and this one. So this is what you use first of all. Once you want to start, if you watch, you will see an indicator here pointing upwards. So this indicator pointing upwards is telling you that this one will be like this. This is how it's going to be. Okay. So with this now, you just place it inside here, just like this. Then shape this particular bolt. That is what we are going to use. You just put it inside. It will just come out at the other side. You will now use a knot, size 10 flange knot. Use it and tighten it. Put the second one. Hope you are seeing it. Use it and do what? And tighten it. Well, once you put these two, you have to do what? You have to tighten it with what? Size 10. Size 10. Tighten it very well. If you don't tighten this one here, you will make a very big mistake. Because tightening it again will be a difficult thing to you. So make sure you tighten this one very well. This is water sealant. You seal this particular place. See, I've sealed it so that water will not be entering inside this pipe to rust it. This is the water sealant. So make sure you seal it. After here, you can now insert it on your dish. Look at it. I hope you are seeing it. So this is very, very nice. You insert it this way. After that, you can now use the bolt. There are these short bolts that are there. Use these short bolts to tight. Use the nut, flange nut. You put it this way. I hope you are seeing it. So it's very neat. Put it this way, then you tie it. You tie the first one. Use this bolt as well. Put the second one. I hope you are seeing it. You guide the second one with the flange knot, size 10 flange knot. This is the third one. You put the third one. Use the same size 10 flange knot. You tight it. Then the last one, which is the fourth one, you put. Use the same flange knot, size 10. You tight. So this is the flange knot because it has washer at the round of it. That is why we call it flange knot. If it is the one that doesn't have washer, that one is hex knot. So after this stage, you make sure you do what? You tie it. You tighten them up with what? With the size 10 spanner. Now, I've finished with this. What you are going to do again is to use this particular one you are seeing. Okay? You place it like this. You place it this way. I hope you are seeing it. You place it this way. Place it that way. Okay, so watch. There is a place here. One of these holes. One bolt will enter here while another bolt will enter here. One bolt will enter here while another one will enter here. So we'll go it this way. You put one bolt in here. Use the flange knot. Use the flange knot to tie it. Don't tight it, just guide. I've guided it now. So use another bolt, short bolt. Put it inside here. Then use another knot and guide, flange knot. So I've guided it now. Then, hope you are seeing it. This one and this one. You turn this way. Use another bolt. You insert it here. Then use another flange knot and guide it. The fourth one, you insert it in the right position, which is here. Then use the knot and guide it. So I've guided it too. The four sides have been guided. I hope you are seeing it. So this one can move, it can revolve. It can revolve this way. I hope you are seeing it correctly. So this is the elevation position. The elevation. So after this one, this is the one we are going to put inside the window. position. Then use the cover. This is the cover. You insert it. Then use flange nuts. Flange nuts and guide. Don't tight it. Use another flange nut and guide the other side. So, as you can see, we are through with this place. So this place now is where this particular pipe will enter. This one will mount this one on the wall. So this is where it will enter. I hope you are seeing something now. You can see. You can see. So this is how to put it. I hope you are seeing it. This is a proper way. Proper way to assemble 60 cm searchlight dish. Then we remove it. Then come to this side. This place is the LMB holder. This is the LMB holder. We call it feed horn. You insert it this way. I hope you are seeing it. Then there is a bolt made for it. You put the bolt. You tight it. This one, make sure you tight. Make sure you tight with this size 10 span. Tight. Yes. It's very, very, very firm now. You are seeing it. You are seeing how I did it. You are seeing how I did it. Okay? Now, use this particular one, the cover. You put it this way. Look at it. You put it from the under to enter. Look at it. This is the LMB. LMB, low noise block. Then you insert it this way into it. Look at it. Look at it properly. And make sure it's at the middle of this feed horn. Is at the middle of this LMB. Don't put it at the extreme end or at the apex mouth. Put it at the middle of the LMB. Okay? Now there is a bolt, small, tiny bolt and small knot made for it. Look at it. Look at it. If you can see them, look at them. Look at it. So I'm going to now insert this small knot inside here. Hold it. Use the small bolt. Put it from the top. Now use screwdriver to tight it. Yo, this is very, very nice. Very, very nice now. I hope you are seeing it. This is how to assemble a 60 cm searchlight dish properly. Properly, very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I hope you are seeing it. If you like this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up. I want you to like and share. Share this video so that more people will see it. More people who are interested in searchlight dish installation will be able to see this video, because this is the only channel that can show you everything in details when it comes to tracking of any searchlight of any kind. Installation wise, you will learn it here starting from the level of 0 to professionalism. Okay? So I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification so that once we drop awesome videos, you will keep on being notified by YouTube. Okay? So then this other one is the mount, the one we use to mount it on the wall. This is the sealant, water sealant. You must seal it. Look at it. Look at it. This is the water sealant. Now, this is the arm. The arm. When you put it this way, there is a bolt designated for it or designed for it. Use the bolt, put it will come out to the other side. Use this particular one, put it, then use the flange knot to do what? To guide. So this is the one we mount on the wall that will now carry this particular dish. Okay. While this is the base, we mount this one on the wall. After mounting this one on the wall, you put in this one. Then use the same bolt to do what? To tie it. Look at it. To come out to the other side. Look at it. It has come out to the other side. Then you now tight it. All these ones will be done on the wall. Okay. I've shown how to do this one. You can watch other of my videos so that you learn how to do this one. So it will just be like this on the wall. Okay. While this dish will now enter here. Yeah. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you like this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, go down the comment section, drop the question, and I will get back to you immediately. It's Bonny here. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in another one. Bye bye.